Well met, travelers. I know what you're thinking. Where has he been? Several places, actually. None of which are particularly relevant. But I know you've missed me terribly, haven't you? Wondering if I was ever going to return to you, to grace your screen. Well, I've returned. Surely you must know that I wasn't going to disappear from you forever. I just needed a break. But now the air's gotten a bit cooler, hasn't it? The spooky season is upon us. Now, I don't know about all of y'all, but quite frankly, I am ready to get back out there. But don't get me wrong. I know what the real question is. How do we go bigger? What comes next, Eric? Well, allow me to drop a few hints. Or one. What's this then? Why, it's a map of these great United States of America. Now, I am here, as indicated by this pin that is not doing what, never mind. But we, my friends, are headed west. Here? No, let's go a little further, perhaps. Oh, no. What if we went just a bit further? Oh, no. Boom. Now, that's probably a bit more than what most folks would consider to be a hint, but I think you've got it right, folks. Smokin' Thrills is headed west, and we're gonna see what kind of thrills we can find out there. Now, is this a Smokin' Thrills vlog? No, of course not, obviously. I'm in my house, but things are coming. Things are in the pipeline. I felt obligated to check in and let you all know that A, I am alive, and that B, I haven't forgotten. And quite frankly, I'm ready to climb back up on that horse and ride out into that western sun. Give me just a little bit more time, and I promise it'll be worth the wait. You have no idea what's coming. Trust me. So with all that being said, travelers, until we meet again, which will be sooner than you might think, Godspeed.